Alright, so I'm going to make some roasted vegetables. I like to cut my red pepper and green pepper like this. It's a Japanese style cutting. Get rid of the core. Chop. Nice uniform cuts. Here. I don't waste anything when it comes to red and green pepper. You don't want to waste anything. You know, this stuff is expensive. Core comes off. Uniform cuts. All the same size. Put it in there. This goes in there too. Cut this in half. Goes in there too. And here we go. Cooking with 007 2.0. Yeah. This is be careful. I use really sharp knives, so I try to be as careful as I can. I've done my share of cutting myself in my lifetime. Pop the core up. Boom, 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 boom. Here you go. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Nope, I'm lying. I'm using canola. A little mix up here. Get a little salt. Shake that up, shake that up, shake that up. A little bit of pepper. Shake that up, shake that up, shake that up, shake that up. A little bit of my special spice. I can tell you what it is. This is I'll tell you. It's a little bit of cumin. And for a little bit of color and taste. A little bit of red pepper. Fire oven at 400 degrees. Put it on your pan. I previously oiled my pan. Spread it out. Roast to your desired texture. In the oven it goes. That's it. 007 2.0 saying that's how you roast and cut vegetables.